What'd you get, Bub?
Okay.
Cool.
No, over here,
This one, Ram.
Oh. But on the other side, it has Princess Pig.
What? Wow.
I love it. It's moving car.
What is it, Ram?
Moving car. Yay! It's moving car. What is it?
What is it, Ram?
It's moving car.
Yeah?
I'm gonna open it.
Hold on, dude. Look,
What?
you got these still.
These?
I know you want to open everything, but let's open your gifts first.
Music
Ram.
Huh? Oh, the one?
Yep.
Santa asked.
What'd you
Santa
get, Bub?
listening?
Yes. Oh.
Remy, this one, buddy.
Oh.
Yeah, what's in there? Who's that?
No, dragon.
Wow. Let's open your next one. Forget about the bag.
Won't be reusing that bag.
I know.
Look.
Who's that?
Oh no.
Remy, who's that in your hand?
That one. Dragon.
The dragon.
Name. The dragon?
Remy.
Wow, you're a train.
Remy. Here, let's put him over here.
Oh my
What's that,
God.
Bob?
It's Princess Celestia.
Cool. Who's that, Ram?
But a queen. Well, she turns.
Good job.
She turns into.
Let me have him. Look, there's more in there, dude.
I forgot the
There's-
name. I got this baby
So where's the
Bobby.
bag, Rem?
Alright, give me the bag. Thank you.
I got this
Who's
baby
that, Ram?
Oh, it's an angry bird. Let me see, Remy. Remy.
What's that, Bob?
The baby Peppa.
Oh, that changed his tune, didn't it?
You're on.
What's that, Caters?
Wow, that's super cool.
It's Peppa.
Let's see, Ram, turn around. Cool. You gonna use that for school?
Yes.
All right.
Wow. I will put it on the dragon. Guess what it is.
What is it, Bub?
Guess.
Is that for your Legos?
Yes.
Cool.
What did you say, Dad?
He's a big, brave dragon.
I can't open. I'm hungry, Dad.
You want to open it? And she has the scissors, dude.
Let me see, Remy.
Oh my gosh!
What is it, Bub?
It's Twilight Sparkle.
Yeah.
What?
Hey, Mom, is it big? Okay.
What you got there, buddy?
I got. Oh my gosh! I got that one. I got.
What is it, Ram?
Oh.
It's big.
It's big. Is it animals?
It's animal.
What'd you get, Bub?
Take a look.
Whoa.
Take a look on our back. It's an animal.
Princess Twilight.
Awesome. Wanna grab the other one? Your next one?
I hope it's.
Is it stuffing?
No. It's Twilight Sparkle. I will
Whoa, puppies. Who'd you get?
You got Katie?
I will open it at the middle.
Rams, do you want to open some more boxes?
I
You
got
can open some of mine.
a present.
You can open some of mine for me.
What open mine. I'm gonna open mine.
What's that one, Remy?
What's this one?
A big present.
Go ahead, Rem. Open it. Katie, yours.
Hey, this is your
Kate, right here. Katie,
Hey.
open this one.
Remy, open that one.
Remy, open that one.
Huge.
Okay, Kate.
Remy.
You got
He
Twilight.
doesn't care anymore.
He's like, I just want all my toys now.
Wow.
Whoa, what's that, Bubby? Hokey smoke. You sure did. You
You
got.
got another backpack.
Look inside, Remy.
What's inside the backpack, Rem?
Here, Katie.
That one's for you and Katie. What's inside of there?
A toy?
Unzip it.
It's your gift.
No, no, no.
Open it up.
This one.
A rarity.
Cool.
My gosh.
What is it, Ram?
Jack.
Whoa.
Look, Katie.
That's
What
for
is
you
it?
and Remy. Katie, what's that on the floor right there is for you and Remy.
This one?
No, no, no. That one. What is it? You don't know?
Oh no.
What do you play with every morning?
What did you say then?
An
He's
iPad.
a big brave dragon.
Wow. iPad.
So you guys can watch your videos and play your games on your own now.